Hello everyone, my name is Pascal. I'm from Spain and studied molecular biology in my bachelor's and molecular life science in my master's, both in Germany. This academic year I'm starting as a PhD candidate at the Université Paris-Cité, as I have acquired a PhD funding from Microb'EX. Microb'EX is a so-called Initiative d'Excellence, which is a French government funding scheme that supports research projects within a specific thematic framework. In our case, it brings together a variety of research groups focusing on microbiology. Together with my team, I will be investigating how HMOs, also known as human milk oligosaccharides, influence the infant gut microbiota and immune response during early life. HMOs are sugar compounds that can be found in breast milk. There are over 200 types with different functionalities. For example, to serve as prebiotics for the bacteria living in our gut or as antimicrobials against pathogens. Preliminary results of a cohort study named Mythica, which encompasses mothers and infants living in the Central African Republic, showed that there was an association between certain HMOs and infant growth. Through this PhD, we want to identify HMOs that promote beneficial bacteria and suppress pathobionts, allowing us to find new nutritional strategies to counteract gastrointestinal impairment associated with stunting, such as dysbiosis and environmental enteric dysfunction. Samples from mothers and infants have already been analyzed to determine HMOs in breast milk and to characterize the gut and oral microbiota composition of infants. I will be in charge of determining immune markers through an immune profiling assay called Luminex. Through statistical data analysis, I will explore the relationship between HMOs, microbiota, and immune markers, while accounting for other gut health modulators such as diet, socioeconomic factors, medical consumption, and hygiene practices of participants. My work is supervised by Violeta Moya Alvarez, specialist in infant nutrition, and Julio Aires, who's an expert in microbiology. Both their research groups are located at the Université Paris-Cité, while I will also be at the Institut Pasteur here in Paris for some of my experiments. At the beginning of my PhD, I will be in Cotonou, the capital of Benin, where I will be working at Zerpage and the Institut de Recherche Clinique.